Good morning, students. Today we are taking the left practice set from profit and loss, that is practice set 33. In this practice set there are three sums. I am taking all three sums. So take the first one. Maganlal bought trousers for rupees 400 and shirt for rupees 200 and sold them for rupees 448 and 250 respectively. Which of these transactions was more profitable? Now see, there are two transactions, one for trouser and one for shirt. So we'll make two columns here. In first column I am taking transaction for trousers. So for trousers, what is the cost price? CP is 400 rupees and SP is 448 rupees, right? What we have to find out, percentage wise which transaction is more profitable, right? So for that, first we have to find out what profit we get in this CP and SP. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. 448 minus 400, right? So what is our profit in this? 48. Now this profit is on this 400 rupees. We have to find out what is the percentage. For that, let consider profit on rupees 100 be X, right? Accordingly, write on 100 profit is X and on 400 your profit is 48. Solve this equation. When we are multiplying 100 on both sides, we get X is equal to 48 upon 400 multiplied by 100, right? So this 20 will cut. Therefore X is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. X is equal to 12%. Now move to the second transaction of shirt. So for shirt, what is CP? 200 rupees, right? What is SP? 250 rupees. Find out the profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. 250 minus 200, right? So your profit is 50, right? 50 rupees. Now this 50 rupees is on 200. So same, let consider profit on rupees 100 be Y. Make the equation. On 100 profit is Y and on 200 profit is 50. Understood? Now see, remove this 100 from both the side, or so from this side. So Y is equal to 50 upon 200 multiplied by 100. Understand? This 0 0 cut, this 0 0 cut. Y is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Remaining 1 or remainder 1. 25%. So, in which transaction Magan Lal is more profitable? In the transaction of shirt. Understand? Now, take the second one. Second problem is, Ramrao bought a cupboard for rupees 4,500 and sold it for 4,950. Shamrao bought a sewing machine for rupees 3,500 and sold it for rupees 3,920. Whose transaction is more profitable? In this case also, we have to make a column here, and for first one, who? Ramrao. Right? What he bought? Cupboard. So, CP of cupboard. What is that? 4,500. And SP 4,950. Same way, find out the profit. As we can understand from this that SP is greater than CP, so it is profit, obviously. So profit is equal to SP minus CP, 4,950 minus 4,500. Right? What is your answer? 450. Now this 450 is on this cost price 4,500. So let consider profit on rupees 100 be X. On 100 your profit is X. On 4,500 your profit is 450. Now solve this. X is equal to 450 upon 4,500 multiplied by 100. Right? Therefore, X is equal to this 0, 0, this 0, 0 cut. Right? 45 tens are 450. So, in this transaction, what is the profit? 10%. Now, move to the Shamrao stock transaction. Now, for Shamrao, CP is equal to CP of what? Sewing machine. CP of sewing machine is 3,500 and SP is equal to 3,920. Right? Now, profit is equal to SP minus CP, 3,950 minus 3,500, and your answer is 420. Right? Now, this 420 is on 3,500. So, let's consider profit on rupees 100 be Y. Right? Now, right. On Y, on 100 it is Y. Profit is Y. And on 3,500 profit is 420. Y is equal to, after removing 100 on both sides, 100 on this side, we are multiplying with 100. 3,500 multiplied by 100. Right? Now, Y is equal to, now see, 7 in 7's table, 35 is also coming and 420 is also coming. 42 is also coming. So, 7 5s and here 6 0 and final answer is 12%. right? Understand? So in this Ramrav's transaction he got 10% profit. In Shamrav's transaction he got 12% profit. So whose profit is more? Shamrav, right? Understand? Now next move to the third one. Hanif bought one box of 50 apples for rupees 400. He sold all the apples at the rate of 10 each. Was there a profit or loss, or what was the percentage? Now see, we know the cost price of 50 apples, but we don't know selling price of that 50 apples. So first we have to find out what is the selling price. Cost price we know. What is that? 400 rupees. Right? How many apples are there? 50. What is the cost of one apple? 10. So SP is equal to 50 multiplied by 10. Right? Because number of apple 50 and cost of one apple is 10. So my answer is 500. Right? As observing this two value, I can say as SP is greater than CP, there is profit. Right? Now what is the profit? 500 minus 400. Right? So profit is 100 rupees. But I want profit in percentage. So let's consider profit on rupees 100 be X. Therefore on 100 rupees X is the profit, and on 400 my 100 is the profit. After removing 100, X is remaining, and 100 multiply upon 400 multiply by 100. Right? 0 0 cut, 0 0 cut. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 4 fives are 20. Right? So Hanif made a profit of rupees 100, and in percentage it is 25%. Understand? So this is your today's homework. These all three sums. If you have any doubt in this, ask me in my personal. Till then, bye bye and take care.